Mr. D.E. back with another one. Yes. CEO of Dasourcess is here with y'all again today with another review video. Okay? But today, this is not even an average review video. What I am reviewing is actually something I'm about to start helping you all with. And that's making money on social media. I know everybody trying to get this money on social media, so it's about that time for me to actually start showing y'all what I've been doing and what I'm starting to do to help myself get paid off these social media platforms and things like that. And it is by Mr. One and Only Ray Von Shay, and it's SBC. I think y'all heard about that before, especially if you watched my previous video, Successful by Choice, because it's time for us to be successful, and it's your choice if you really want to be. Other than that, let's go ahead and start it. It pop up on the screen. I'm doing this little SB thing. The first page that y'all see is the vision board. Yes, the vision board. It's time to get your vision right. Yes, it is. So go ahead and move on to that next page, and it's the third one, and it's going more in detail about the vision board worksheet. So the first thing you're gonna be doing is asking yourself, how much money would you be happy to earn each month? Okay. Then you're gonna be asking, how much would you be ecstatic to earn monthly? Then you're gonna be asking yourself, how much time are you willing to invest to achieve these goals? And then the fourth one, what type of home do you envision for yourself living in? You know, describe it in details. Numbers of bedrooms, number of baths, numbers of type of interiors. Visualize it. You got to see it to believe it. You feel me? Okay? Then you're going to be listing the type of car you desire to have. You feel me? This is your vision board, whatever you can imagine. Y'all got to understand, we finna teach y'all how to make money with this social media. This is what this planner is about. To understand how to be organized with social media. You hear me? Okay? So you got to make sure you write some daily affirmations. Read this one with me out loud daily. I am healthy. I am wealthy. I am energetic. I am excited about my future. I am a giver. I am blessed to be a blessed. I am blessed to be blessing. To be a blessing. I love to help others. I am financially free. I speak positive things. I can do all things. I am professional. What is your why? Why are you doing this business project and program? You know, most of us for the money. Some of y'all, you want to get paid to do what you love. That's what you really, if that's your vision, that's why you doing it, then, say that and feel that. Okay? So the next